Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Flipgrid. The first thing that you're going to do is go to flipgrid.com. Next, you're going to sign up, enter your credentials, and then use your PS41 as your Google login. Once you've logged in, there are some things you can do. You can create your topic, or you can go to Discovery and choose a topic that was already created. You can go through the search right here and you can search up any topic that you would like to post on. But for today, I'm going to go into discussion and create my own. The first thing you're going to want to do is click on Add a Topic. Today's topic that I'm going to share is what inspires you. So this is my title, and next I'm going to put in my prompts. So my prompts are who or what inspires you? How do you feel when you're inspired? And lastly, what great things do you hope to do one day? So right below that, you can add a media. So you can record your own video of you asking your students these questions. You can upload a video, use a YouTube video, add an image from your personal computer, let's see here, inspires. Any one of these GIFs, okay? And then basically you want to hit student email and make sure you put in our domain. Once you do that, you'll scroll down to the bottom. Make sure you select your recording time for the responses that you want from your students. And then you click Create a Topic. Then your topic is ready. So they have come up with a link. So you can copy the link and put it right to your Google Classroom, or you can share right to your Google Classroom from here. It'll ask you which classroom would you like to share to, and which action do you want. So I would like to create an assignment, and I will hit go. From here, it'll open up my assignments from my Google Classroom, and it'll attach the Flipgrid link here. Then my directions will be click on the link below and record your Flipgrid response. Okay, and then I'm going to click Assign. Once you do that, it'll post to your Google Classroom and you can view it. It'll show up on your stream, and it'll also show up in your classwork. Now, if it shows up somewhere not under a topic, you can easily just move it underneath the topic that you would like it to show up under. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll be more than happy to walk you through. Thank you.